Hello there! Today we are going to desperately plead to you all in order to prevent our budget getting slashed. But since you all are in Congress and probably don't know anything, let's start with a brief history lesson. The National Science Foundation was created in 1950 by Congress as part of the National Science Foundation Act of 1950. See how brief that was? But what do we even do at the NSF? The purpose of the NSF is to promote the progress of science, to advance the national health, prosperity, and welfare, and to secure the national defense. We do this by giving a boatload of money to institutions all across the country. In fact, grants awarded by the NSF account for 20% of all research money that is given to universities. The NSF is the only institution that can give research funding to all non medical fields of science and technology, which is important because we don't actually do any research on our own. The NSF splits up grants into 7 different disciplines: biology, computer and information science, engineering, geosciences, mathematics, social sciences, and education. Even with $7 billion in funding, only about 20% of all grant requests are approved. And you thought college applications were bad. Now let's give you some examples of some exciting projects that would surely die in the unfortunate event if we lose our funding. The NSF sponsors a nano biosensing program that helps fundamental research on nanotechnology that helps detect toxins and pathogens that can be harmful to life.
Nanomachines, son!
These nanomachines are crucial to measuring various thermochemical signals and biomolecular interactions at a very small level, which normal machines or detecting equipment can't discover.
Tiny machines.
Absent this program and others like it that we fund, we'll have no way of detecting these very dangerous materials.
Being poisoned sucks.
These developments can also lead to discovering new medicines that can help with other issues.
Not supporting the NSF is basically rooting for cancer to win. Do you like cancer, Congresspeople?
Seriously though, cancer sucks, and we are trying to make it suck less. But I guess if you want it to suck more, please by all means cut our funding. You know what also sucks? Ice. It's cold and prevents us from doing research in the Arctic and Antarctic. You know what fixes this problem? Icebreakers. Massive ships that only serve to destroy ice. Our budget allows us to lease an icebreaker courtesy of our friends from the Coast Guard. It lets us access places like McMurdo Station in Antarctica, where we can let scientists do science things. What types of science things? Well, astronomy, geology, and critical medicine research. So once again, if you cut our budget, you want cancer to win.
Get pumped, Ice!